Welcome to our channel where we provide valuable information and tips to help you better manage your financial life. If you are interested in saving money on car insurance, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will share 10 easy tips to help you lower your car insurance premium. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so that YouTube understands that this subject is relevant to you. And suggest more videos from us and other channels that talk about this topic. Tip 1. Shop around. One of the best ways to save money on car insurance is to shop around. Don't settle for the first insurance company you come across. Check out at least 3 different insurance providers and compare their rates and coverage options. Tip 2. Bundle your insurance policies. If you have multiple insurance policies, such as home and car insurance, consider bundling them with the same insurance provider. Many insurance companies offer a discount for bundling policies. Tip 3. Increase your deductible. Raising your deductible is another way to save money on car insurance. By increasing your deductible, you are agreeing to pay more out of pocket if you get into an accident, but you will pay less on your monthly premiums. Tip 4. Maintain a good credit score. Your credit score can impact your car insurance rates. Maintaining a good credit score can help you save money on car insurance. Tip 5. Drive safely. Your driving record is another factor that insurance companies consider when determining your premium. Maintaining a clean driving record and avoiding accidents can help you save money on car insurance. Tip 6. Choose your car wisely. The type of car you drive can impact your car insurance rates. Cars with a high safety rating and low theft rate generally have lower insurance premiums. Tip 7. Ask for discounts. Insurance companies offer various discounts that you may qualify for, such as a safe driver discount or a discount for having anti-theft devices installed in your car. Be sure to ask about available discounts when shopping for car insurance. Tip 8. Consider usage-based insurance. Usage-based insurance is a policy that is based on your driving habits. It can be a good option for those who drive less frequently, as they may be able to save money on their insurance premium. Tip 9. Pay your premiums annually. Paying your car insurance premium annually instead of monthly can save you money in the long run. Many insurance companies offer a discount for paying annually. Tip 10. Review your policy annually. Reviewing your car insurance policy annually can help you identify any unnecessary coverage or potential discounts. Make sure you are only paying for the coverage you need. Saving money on car insurance is possible with these 10 easy tips. Remember to shop around, maintain a good driving record, and ask for discounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching.